Meaning of enthrone.
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 Enthrone. The word enthrone means to officially declare someone as a king, queen, or other ruler and ceremonially place them on a throne. This act is often accompanied by elaborate rituals and symbols of power, such as the crown, scepter, and orb. The result of enthronement is that the person becomes the recognized authority over the kingdom or territory, with the responsibility to make decisions, enforce laws, and lead the people. It represents a formal transfer of power and marks the beginning of the new monarch's reign.